Did you know that your vehicle may be equipped to allow you to remotely activate certain features, like unlocking and locking doors, as well as the ability to remote start your engine and climate control? All you need is the available FordPass Connect, a compatible smartphone, and FordPass. Let me tell you about it. The first thing you'll need to do is download FordPass from the App Store or Google Play and accept the terms and conditions. If you already have a Ford owner account, you can log in using your username and password. If not, you can create an account via the FordPass app with some basic information and a 4-digit PIN. If you have a FordPass Connect equipped vehicle, you'll get a pop-up telling you to connect your vehicle. Press Add. To add a second vehicle from the home screen, press Add Vehicle. Next, scan the VIN barcode by selecting the camera icon and point your phone's camera to the VIN label located on your vehicle's driver's door sill. You'll get a Vehicle Found screen. Then name your vehicle and press Get Started. Next, you'll see this screen directing you to activate FordPass Connect by touching the Activate Vehicle button. After a few minutes, go to your vehicle and start it. You will then see this pop-up on the Sync 3 touchscreen. Touch Allow to continue. Keep in mind, if you do not touch Allow in the pop-up within 10 startups, you will not gain access to remote features and will need to reactivate from the beginning. Once you do, after a short period of time, all remote features can be accessed from your smartphone's FordPass home screen. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.